Off we go out of a Mariental. I'm a bit done, but biscuits, a little bit of rice, pile of water, 73 k's. So I'm guessing that's probably £12. I took off my kidney belt because I just trying to get ways to keep cool. I've left my jacket undone, but I thought I'm going to put my gloves on still because it's the sunburn is the worst thing. Well, sort of, you know, it's just. So I do see there are petrol stations up ahead, but there was no advertising before that sign, so I didn't take a chance. Okay, my next place, here we come. River Chalet. So there was a chance, I mean, I could have stayed here in Mariental, but you know, then it would have been a bit soft. It would have been about 200 k's or 200 and something, which was a tad soft. And then I found this interesting Gibeon place, which it seemed like it's got a bit more character. Tiny little town. And that's Keertmanshoop, of course, is going to be en route tomorrow to Bethany. That's quite far. Oh, 229. So once I've done this 70, that's 100 and that's 170, 180 to Keerties. So I think it is another. It's a fair haul tomorrow, I think. Hello, truckie. It's a fair haul tomorrow. I think it's, I'll check, but I think it's another 300 k's or so. So that was all kind of fun. You know, it's just a marginal. If you leave, if I'd stayed in Mariental, it would have added another. It'll push the next sort of round into, you know, 300 and something, I think. So just do this extra little stitch, just like when I did Rundu. You know, it was Rundu Tavi, you know, instead of staying at Grootfontein, because it made it more kind of in the middle to get to Windhoek. All right, chat later.